Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of not going to really be a truck video, but it's going to be like a free money video, and everybody likes free money. So I don't know if you've heard of this app or not, but it's called Get Upside. Basically, it gives you cash back at gas stations when you purchase gas. It also does it at restaurants too. Yeah, you gotta take a picture of the receipt or do a little extra work. Literally, it takes 2 seconds and it's super simple. I've got a lot of people that ask me about it, so I'm going to show kind of just how to get into it and how to get it working. So what you first need to do is you need to download this app. It's called right here, Get Upside. Okay, boom. You download the app, you sign up. You know, once you're ready to go and everything's signed up, this is what you're going to look like. Okay, so it's you'll set your profile for like gas, if you want gas or diesel. I drive a diesel. Currently today I was in my work vehicle and I filled up and it's gas. So what I need to do is change my profile. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to go down to profile, I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to type gas. I don't want gas. I'm going to switch it to diesel because, now come on. Oh, it's down here at the bottom. I'm looking at this stupid camera, my bad. So now I click diesel and it sets my fuel type to diesel. So I go back and then I'm here on this little blue spot, and then you can zoom out as far as you want and you'll press search this area, and it's going to give you all the eligible stations around here that you can get cash back at. So what you do is you go through, look. So at this Shell, it's I don't know if you can see that, it's 15 cents. At this one, oh snap, 28 cents. A gallon. Now this is a gallon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this Raceway right here. It is 28 cents a gallon cash back. Boom. Okay, another thing I got to show you real quick. Right here, you see this little blue symbol right here at that Circle K? That is a flash pass or whatever. I'm going to show you how to do that way too, but right now what we're going to do is the first way, where you have to upload a picture of the receipt yourself. So what you'll do is 28 cents a gallon right there. I'm clicking that, and at the bottom it's going to come up claim. So you press claim, and then you've got 3 hours and 59 minutes to upload a picture of your receipt. Now this is very important. You have to claim it before you pump the gas, because your receipt's going to have a time on it. The time that you claim it has to be before the time that you upload the receipt, obviously. So you always claim first, and if you get in a bind or whatever, you can't make it there, you can always unclaim, or you got to reroute, you go somewhere else, you unclaim it. So what I've done is I've claimed it. Now I've got 3 hours and 59 minutes to get to this gas station and pump my gas. After you pump your gas, you're going to say, do you want a receipt? You say yes. It prints the receipt out. Then you will upload it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video right now, and I'm going to head to the gas station and I'm going to pump, and then on the way back, or when I'm done, we'll start over. All right, so I'm at the Raceway. Now I've already claimed it. Now all I have to do is pump gas, and when I'm done pumping gas, I'll start the video and show you. You see, I had 3 hours and 59 minutes to get here. It took me 8 minutes to get here. I still have 3 hours and 51 minutes to upload the receipt. So I'm gonna pump my diesel and I'll turn the camera back on. All right, I'm back. Just got done pumping my diesel. So this is literally all you have to do. I've got my receipt right here and my phone. Right down here it says upload receipt. I push that. It does this little thing over it. I can either press the camera right now or let it do its 3 seconds, whatever I want to do. And then it's going to look that receipt over, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to attach the receipt? Yep. So boom, I attached it, and that's it. Receipt submitted. You'll get your cash back within 2 to 4 days. I usually get it within about 12 to 18 hours, if that. As you can see right here, I got 12 gallons of diesel, and I'm getting 28 cents a gallon cash back. So that's like $3.36 or 33 cents just by doing that. Not to mention, I use the credit card I use has fuel as a reward, so I get 3% back on that. But anyway, I just made $3.36 by taking a picture of the receipt. I mean, if you can't do that, you don't deserve free money anyway, and you probably don't even deserve to. I mean, it's super easy. If you can't do that, then I don't know, this just ain't for you. Now there's one other way that you can do it. like I was showing you earlier on the gas stations that have a I don't know if this sun's getting in y'all's eyes or not, but the gas stations that have the little, let me see if I can find one real quick. Okay, this one right here, this Circle K. It's got this little lightning bolt, this little blue lightning bolt. Those gas stations, you don't have to press, or you don't have to take a picture of your receipt. So I just filled up, but I'm gonna go there and stick whatever diesel I can in the truck just to give you an example. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press that, and then do I wanna claim it? Yep. So this says check in for cash back. So when you arrive, you have to check in. Then you have to pay with the card that's in your wallet. You'll set that up whenever you set the app up. I have Apple Pay on my phone, so it has like 4 or 5 of the cards I use. You can pick whatever one you want, and then get cash back automatically once your purchase is verified. So this is actually even easier. You don't have to take a picture of the receipt. So I've pressed the gas station I wanted to go to, and when I get there, I have to check in. And so once I check in, it's going to say you have like 20 minutes in order to make a purchase with the card linked on your account. And all you got to do is purchase gas within 20 minutes, you know, and it'll give it to you automatically. But I'm going to go there and do it just to show y'all. So when I get there, I'll turn the camera back on, and we'll go from there. All right, I'm at the Circle K with the blue lightning bolt. Okay, all I got to do right now is check in, and then it says select a card, make your purchase using this card or debit card. So these are all the cards I have linked to my Apple Wallet, and the one I'm going to use is this what number is that American Express I got? The one with 2005. So you click the card you want, which is this one, okay, and then it says checked in. You have 19 minutes, if you have 20 minutes to make your purchase with American Express ending in 2005. You get your cash back within 2 to 4 days. So literally, I gotta use this card to pump my diesel, and then I don't have to take the picture of the receipt or nothing. It automatically does all that for you. So that's pretty cool. Not all stations have that yet. So, I mean, it is what it is. But look, I just want to show you that this, you know, I've been using this probably 2 months, and at the top right here, I'm not sure, I'm using a GoPro, but it says $80.83. Okay, I've been using this 2 months, and I have $80.83 of free money. Like, who don't want that? Okay, now there is a referral. Right now they're offering $5 for every referral. So if I refer somebody, they give me $5, and they give them $5 the first time they use the app. It used to be they would give you an extra 15 cents a gallon on your next fill up. Well, since this COVID thing started, they give you $5 each of y'all. So in the video description of this video, I'll leave my code. If you're on your mobile phone, you can just click it. If you're on a laptop, I'll write the little invite code for you. So what you would do then is you would download the app, and then it's going to ask for a referral code or whatever. And my code is COLT, C-O-L-T 6889. So you just put that code in there, and then I would get credit for it. Look, if you don't want to use me as a referral, that's fine, but you won't get $5. And it's just $5 extra money. So and you know, I've sent this to quite a few friends. I've only got one of them using it. So that $80 is not all from referrals. $5 of it's from referrals. The other $75 is from me just buying gas. Another cool thing is, so I can show you real quick. So like whoever, like my referrals, these are all people that I've sent it to or whatever. The only one that's actively using it is this person on the bottom down here. And what it is it's pretty cool. So like if I refer you, you'll get the $5, and I'll get the $5 initially, and then after that after that I'll get a penny for every gallon of gas that the person I referred buys. And so say that it's pretty cool. So my buddy right here, that the only one using it, I've got 82 cents of referrals. It means he's bought 82 gallons of gas. You know, it's not a lot of money, but it's free money. And another thing, if he refers somebody, he'll get a penny for every gallon of gas for the person that he refers, but I'll get half a cent. So my friend that's using it, if he sends a code to somebody and that they join, well, and they start pumping gas, well, I'm going to get a half a cent for every gallon that they use. So the potential is there to scale and grow. But I mean, you're not I've made 82 cents from referrals. That ain't a lot of money, you know. Well, $5.82, but you know, if you got a lot of people, it does add up. So look, if you do want to download this and use my code, that'd be sweet. If not, just get the free money yourself. Just start using the app. Free money, can't hide it. But look, I'm gonna go ahead. I got 20 minutes to pump my diesel. I'm gonna pump my diesel. There's really nothing else to show you after this because I don't have to take a picture of the receipt. I don't have to do none of that stuff. So I appreciate y'all watching. God bless, and if this was helpful to you, you know, please like and subscribe. One more thing I forgot. Oh, how can you get your money out of this? Well, you press your little money up there. I got $80.83, and these are all the things that you can, you know, trade for your money. So I can get a Cabela's card, Applebee's, I can get an Amazon gift card, Google Play, Domino's gift card. I can get it sent right to my PayPal, or I can have them mail me a check. So okay, what do you do with this $80? How can I use it? Well, there's a bunch of ways you can use it. PayPal, like I said, mail a check. Everybody is using Amazon. I'm partial to Cabela's. So you can use this $80 or however much you got on anything. I got a buddy that's been using this. His rewards are over $200. But I just found out about this. Say I did this for a year and I got a couple hundred saved up. Well, next time I go on vacation, we go on the family trip or whatever, I ain't got to buy no gas or no diesel. I'm gonna just pay for it out of this. It's just like free money. I'll save it up all year and use it on vacation. But it's pretty cool little app. If you want to use it, use it. It doesn't cost nothing. It's easy and it's free. So I'm just trying to help whoever I can. Look, appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe.